Welcome. Today I'll show you how to turn off Hey Google option into T-MOBILE Revvl 6 Pro. First of all, open a Google application, this one. Now on the top right corner we got our Google account icon, tap it and choose settings. Sorry, not this. Go back one more time, Google account icon and settings. Now choose voice option. And here go into voice match. And how you can see here we got OK Google, so for turn off this option need tap here on the switcher and tap OK. And now we turn off our OK Google option. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.